Hello guys, hope you and your family is doing fine during this lockdown. Your advisors have been reaching to you to help you with food security, and the second thing, they have also been reaching to you to make sure that you are not just playing PUBG, but also you are learning something and you're doing something productive. And to do this, we have to frame so many messages, and we have been posting so many messages on your WhatsApp group, and then this is how you feel. It looks very complicated when you get so many messages in one day for your opportunities. Today, I'm recording this video just to simplify things for you, just to tell you that what are the few supports that we are giving you. So in the next slide, we will see that in the month of April and May, what exactly you are getting, what support you are getting from stock. First thing is online CPLP. Many of you have already registered for you. So that is one thing that we are going to do in next 2 months. We will have online CPLP. Second thing is college admission readiness. Balaji Bhaiya is going to send some assignments to you so that you can learn about your colleges, your career, and future courses. Third thing is alumni led hobby clubs. This is a really good opportunity where you can enjoy group discussions, TED Talk, sports club, poetry, quiz, and lot more during this lockdown. And the fourth thing, you have opportunity to build skills which are required for employability. Here you will get chance to volunteer to help people for COVID relief, and also you can do a lot of online courses available. So basically there are only four things, and we want you to do any three or four things out of this, not so much. And now, to make sure that you are doing this, which program you are interested, just to know that which program actually you are interested in, we are sending so many forms to you. And again, you think that why so many forms? So let me tell you that there are not so many forms that you are expecting. There are only four things that you have to fill. One, online CPLP registration form. Second thing is alumni-led hobby club form. And third thing is COVID-19 relief form. If you fill this form, we will know that what kind of support you need during this lockdown. And this fourth thing in orange color, you don't have to fill this form. We also have one form where we are reaching out to the students and the people and families who are not in IT. So we are asking them to fill this fourth form so that we can help people beyond IT. Just to simplify, here is how your timetable should look like. Every Monday, you will get some assignment for college, where you will get to know about your college, a lot of details, articles, and all you will get about your college. Uh, Three things, your online CPLP will be twice or thrice a week, depending on your mentor's availability. But Saturday, Sunday, it's going to happen for sure. And this hobby club, which seems very interesting to me, is going to happen every Saturday between 3 to 4. One very, very important thing to note, I really appreciate your leaders. You should be very thankful to your leaders who are reaching you every time. So, I'm expecting two things which you should do to your leaders. One, ask them if you have any confusion, you don't understand any form, any message, please reach out to your group leader so that they can help you. Second thing, update them. If you're doing any course, you are registering for anything, you are participating in something, you're doing something interesting during this time, please update them, please let them know so that they can update me, and that's how, so that your advisors knows about you, that how your time is going and how you are doing. Here is the summary. Have a look at it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Please, you don't need to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Just take a screenshot of this and follow it. Thank you.